Ransomware is a type of cyberattack that locks or encrypts a company's files, then demands payment to restore access. For a small business, the damage can go beyond the ransom. Work may stop. Customers may be affected. Data may be lost. Recovery can take time and money. Ransomware often starts with a phishing email, unsafe link, weak password, outdated software, or unprotected remote access. The best protection is layered. That means security software, updates, strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, employee training, and reliable backups that are tested. No business can remove every risk, but businesses can reduce their exposure and improve their ability to recover. Preparation matters before an attack happens.